why is it so important that the design and the build phases of a digital solution go hand in hand? It's critical that design and build are thought of as a cohesive team in continuous phases of a digital solution project, because marrying those two functions together allows the teams to not only have a shared understanding of who the customer is, what the problem it is that you're trying to solve, but to really co-create that solution so you're getting the input and the empathy from both the designers and the build team on what it is that solutions should look like and how it should work and integrate with the rest of the solutions that the customer may be using. One way I get people to think about the importance of this marriage is to think about the last time that you gave someone instructions and how well they executed on it, whether it was a spouse trying to do something at home or a child trying to do their homework. Typically what I find is that things get lost when you create that order and order-taker relationship. Things get lost in translation or misinterpreted, or people take a creative license, not understanding how critical some pieces of the design may be to the overall brand or workings of that final solution. By marrying the build and design phases of a project, I still see a lot of firms that have made important investments in incorporating things like design thinking and journey mapping into the design phase, and also have created Scrum or Agile teams to move quickly through that build phase. But there seems to be a black hole between the two of them, that whatever gets taken out of that customer journey mapping or design thinking workshop gets put into a set of requirements that are then handed off to the build team to go off and do on their own. And what happens there is you lose that feedback loop and that sense of a shared understanding of the solution. That can be a potentially dangerous handoff for the build team making changes that negatively impact the design or the experience, or the design team not having an understanding of some of the technical restrictions or implications of what it is that they're trying to accomplish. So by marrying those two, you're really laying the foundation for a truly agile process that is cross-functional, and you have a team that understands the final solution and who the customer is and how they're going to move forward over that project.